Introducing the 2022 Ford Focus Saint Line 5D 1.0T 125 S6.2 M6 FW in stunning blue. This hatchback is packed with amazing features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning for a safe and comfortable drive. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing you are well protected. Plus, enjoy the luxury of the cup holders, luxury trim, and privacy glass. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and is ready for you to drive home today. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and comfort with the 2022 Ford Focus Saint Line.